So there comes a moment in every man's life where he's like, man, I just need that thing. Like, you need that item or whatever. And I think we're just about to hit ours because we're finally going there, guys. We're almost there. It's only one more level away. One more level.
We're going to Jollibee now.
Like Jollibee!
So what's up, guys? We just had worship service in the morning, 6 AM here in Singapore. Okay, well, local Midland, yeah? Yes. So we're now on our way back to the hotel. I'll go for a swim. What do you reckon?
Swim. Breakfast is. We also got breakfast at the hotel as well.
Sure.
One of the two.
Yeah. All right. So I'm about to go to the gym, but I decided to have like a little walk. It's so nice here, seriously, in the city of Singapore. What's up, guys? So continuing with day 2 of Singapore. So the first day of the actual event is today, but we are going for a little walk around Orchard Road. Jay's gonna take us, and it should be pretty fun. I don't know what we're actually gonna do. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping and get to see a little bit of the actual city first. So let's get going to that. So we just got on our way because Brandon and Anna had to, we're waiting for them, but we're on our way now. We're gonna go around Orchard Road and the Orchard Road malls. It's gonna be fun. Yeah. So we're gonna go check out Orchard Central, that area there. I think there's a couple of shops that we want to check out, like really luxurious shops. I think we're checking out Bape, Ape, Go Yard, and Jollibee. Yes.
I'll show you guys.
So what's up, guys? We're trying fish skin at Irvin's Salted Egg. Not bad. It's salty. So I don't know if you guys actually heard me, but it was like that. It's like a salted egg, or salty fish skin, sorry. It's actually quite spicy. It's really nice. So just a note, guys, if ever you're in another country, if you want to exchange money, actually withdraw money from your own country and then exchange it in their own country.
Yeah, so basically you bring a whole wad of Australian dollars, you get it switched over. So he got amateur moves, man.
Yeah, well, man, it's been a while. And when I'm in Philippines, I just exchange money there, bro. It's just like, it's cheap. My bad. Now I got to freaking, because I'm with ANZ, now I have to go look for the ANZ bank and actually exchange money, like withdraw money from there. I don't know if I should actually try that workout. It's gonna be fun. So we are in Somerset Mall, so if you want to come do some sneaker shopping, go to Somerset Mall on Orchard Road, because yeah, they got a decent range here. Yo, what is up, fam? So we are in limited edition right now, and check it out, guys. Crazy, right? Crazy! Whoa.
#1 desirable.
So we're into another store. Man, they got some sneakers in the year, bro. So they got like Dragon Ball Z. So what's up, guys? I don't know if you guys actually saw it, but those dropped today. Air Jordan 11. Can't remember what the colorway was, but it dropped today. And the actual price for that one is around 299 Singaporean dollars. So it's around 320 Australian dollars. Pretty good cop. So I don't know if you guys saw it, but in the other store that was in, this Chinese dude just came up to me. He's like, "Oh hey man, can you please buy the Air Jordans for me? I'll give you my credit card. It's just that you can only buy one per customer, or one per person." And he told me if I can get one for him, because he bought one for his friend, now he wanted one for himself. So, well, he was the one paying for it, so okay. So other than having like the men's limited edition bulk, they also got the ladies. Anna's in the store checking out stuff that she actually wants. So, what's she getting?
She's getting everything.
She's getting, oh, it's Kylie.
Run a champion, royal, of the world.
Man, I gotta say something. Like, literally, this is exactly when I go to the Philippines. It's so hot, and you only really want to stay inside the like air-conditioned places. So, staying in the mall is like a really good like tip if you want to stop sweating. So the moment we've all been waiting for has finally arrived. We're gonna go visit Jollibee. Yeah! Yeah! The moment of truth, the moment has finally arrived. It is here. It is here, guys. We finally made it. And there's actually not that a big line, so let's do it. So we are finally in line, and I'm so like caught up in the moment that I actually don't know what I'm gonna order. So what I'm gonna order is probably one of everything, but maybe one of everything, maybe one of almost everything. Because man, I don't know the next time I'm actually gonna have this opportunity. So let's do it. It's here, guys. I don't know if I should cry or if I should eat because it's so. I'm so in the moment right now. It's really emotional. So. This guy's super emotional. He's crying. I don't know if he's crying.
Because of the heat.
It's because of it's so spicy. First bite. There's no way you can
get the expression.
Okay.
Honestly, the juices.
Oh, look at that.
That's good.
Oh. How's it taste?
That's pretty good. Very good.
So what's up, guys? We're going to be doing a little bit of a review. Instead of sneakers, we're doing food. First of all, we got the Chicken Joy 2-piece. As you can see there, I know your mouth's watering right now, I can tell. But you know, just wipe it away. Just wipe it away for now, and just check this out. You got this crispy, juicy chicken right here. You got the gravy, the traditional like. This is rice, guys. This is not a burger. This is actually rice. So. It's actually rice, guys.
I'm joy.
And I'm currently waiting for a chicken burger, but and you know you gotta get this, man. When you go to Jollibee, you gotta get a Jolly hot dog. You know what I mean? One thing I gotta probably say about Singapore is that their menu is a little bit more limited compared to the ones they have in the Philippines, which just makes sense because there were a couple of items that I was looking for that I didn't find there. But hey, nonetheless, we are super stoked, and I'm really happy. And I actually just can't wait to get into this meal. what's up, guys? So we have just finally finished our meals up in Jollibee. We have like this sweat going on, those eat sweats that like when you really enjoy a meal, you sweat it out, and I could really go for a nap right now, and I'm like, I'm pretty satisfied. Thank you, Jollibee. Thank you so much for once again putting fulfillment in my life and you know, enriching my stomach with your delicious food. It was fantastic. So once again, oh man, I just wanna go sleep now. Seriously, like I'm done for the day. We're probably gonna head off soon. But yeah, if you did enjoy the actual video, please once again give me that big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll probably see you guys in the next video. Peace. Ready?